everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you my fab bag for the month of July, and this is how the July fab bag looks like. Again, I am very excited to show you all what products I got in this fab bag, and as same as the June fab bag, July fab bag also has a lot of products, and I am very excited to show these products to you. Those who are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and if you don't know about fab bag, I will leave my video here. You can check my February fab bag. I have explained each and everything there about fab bag, but right now you can know that fab bag is a monthly subscription bag where you get a lot of products to try, and all from different brands, from new brands. So that's what I like about this fab bag. The concept is amazing, and also I'm gonna leave my coupon code here which you can use to avail 10% discount, and this code is valid for 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. It is not valid for 1 month subscription, but if you want to try out the services of fab bag, you can try it for a month and then you can think of buying it for like 3, 6 or 12 months. And the fab bag is just for rupees 599. And yeah, without wasting any more time, let's unbox. Alright guys, so now first let me give you a closer look of this bag. So I really love this minty green color. The first product that I got with this fab bag is this Nourish Mantra body lotion. This is the Mystic Indian Rose, and trust me, it smells like completely rose kind of fragrance, and this is what I'm wearing on my hands right now. And yeah, but I really love it. It is very moisturizing and like well hydrated for summers, not like greasy and very oily kind of stuff inside it. And I really love the packaging, like it is very classy. Look at the product, looks so luxurious and very classy, and I really love this golden thing going on this packaging. And it has a pump dispenser which is like very handy, and it is very hygienic kind of packaging. I really love, and this is what I look for. So as I already told you, it is not greasy and oily, and it is not even thick kind of moisturizer. It has a runny consistency, and you can see it has a really appropriate hydration that you need for summers. Now the next product that I have with me is this French pink clay mask, and I don't know whether I pronounced the name right or not, but it is K-Biz. I don't know, but this is the Deep Pore Detox pink clay mask, and this has a powdery formula. I think you need to add rose water or water into it to make it a thick paste so that you can apply it on your face. And yeah, take a half teaspoon and mix with milk, rose water or aloe vera juice to make a creamy paste. But I'm really looking forward to this product because I haven't tried it yet, but pink clay masks are the best. And yeah, I will definitely update you all. Please make sure you are following me on Instagram. I will leave my handle here. So yeah, I will update you about the same. The next product that I have with me is a face wash, and this is the Moha Herbal Face Wash. It is neem, cucumber, aloe and rose ingredient based. So I haven't tried it yet. The fragrance is again very herbal kind of. Let's see the color and texture. So the texture is runny and it is like white in color, and it is not gel based. It is a cream based face wash. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this as well. Now the next product that I have with me is this Adi Deva Naturals, and this one is the Anand Miraculous Face Serum, and this is 10 ml, and this product alone, like alone, it retails for rupees 799 for 10 ml. So this is a bit expensive. So the active ingredients are aqua hyaluronic acid, glycerin, aloe vera. So let me show you the texture of this serum. So the consistency is runny, like you can see it is all over my hand. Yeah, it looks good. It looks hydrating as well. So I'm really looking forward to this product as well. The next product that I have with me is from Plum Goodness again, and I really enjoyed their products when they were in June fab bag, the monsoon bag. They were amazing. The shampoo, the conditioner, the mask, and also the shower gels, they were amazing. And now they have sent this with the fab bag. They have this face scrub and SPF, which is like really important. So this one is their Brighten Up face scrub, and this is the day cream which has SPF 50 PA+++ UVA. So the July fab bag is all about skincare. It has body lotion, it has face wash, it has face mask, face serum, now the scrub, the day cream. So yeah. So this is a cream based scrub which looks moisturizing as well, and the tiny beads inside this scrub now, they are very gentle, they are not harsh at all. So yeah, this looks nice. And now this day cream, SPF in this is 50 and it is PA+++, and it has UVA and UVB both kind of protection, which is like really good. And now let's see the texture of this because I haven't tried this product yet. So this is like a really thick cream. The fragrance is, again, it is amazing and it is hydrating, but if you can see, you can compare the complexion. It leaves a certain white cast, and I am blending it into my skin, and let's see ki kitni der ye white cast is, you know, it gonna stay. Like you can see there is change in color, but it is a sort of brightening day cream because this is not appearing like white, which sunscreen gives white cast. It doesn't look like white cast, it looks like a brighter complexion, that's what I will say. So yeah, and the last product in this fab bag, which I'm very excited to show you all, is this lipstick, and this one is from Evolution Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment, and I am in the shade Spiritual. So it is a sort of, you know, blood red color, and it is a liquid lipstick, and yes, I have used it like twice, and I like, oh my god, I really love the formula. It doesn't transfer at all. Like I was wearing mask when I was wearing this lipstick. They are super comfortable to wear. Like I was like, the formula is na, I can say it is a dupe of Smashbox lipsticks. And oh my god, look at this gorgeous red color. Aren't you guys in love with this color? And I think it looks hot. You know, this color is sizzling. So let me give you a closer look. Alright guys, so that's it with this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed unboxing of this July Fab bag. Please do not forget to leave your favorite product from this July Fab in the comment section below. If you have any query, drop it in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.